Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here. I'm going to do a quick walk around on this brand new 2019 Chevy RST with a 2-inch lift on it that we did. We got a bunch of accessories and stuff on this truck, so I want to show it off. But if this is your first time checking out my channel, I'm Chevy Dave. I do vehicle reviews along with give you guys some great industry information to help you out with your next vehicle purchase. If this is your first time checking out my channel, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification as well. Also, if you are in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle, make sure you check out my website, www.chevydave.com. I actually have a free buyer's guide that you can download from there and give you some great information to help you out with your next vehicle purchase as well. But I am going to give away this $25 gas card. So stay tuned. At some point in this video, I will let you know how you can get entered into a contest on this on that gas card. So let's take a look at this brand new 2019 lifted RST Silverado. All right, so here's a look at this brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado. This is a RST trim level that we actually lifted. We put a 2-inch lift on this truck. So this is not a Trail Boss, but it does have the same size lift as the Trail Boss. Plus we added some 22-inch Chevy rims over there with some red Silverado brake caliper covers as well. And we have the running boards there on the truck as well. But this is a RST, does have the 5.3 liter V8 engine in it with a dynamic fuel management system. Does have the Confidence package number 2 and also the All-Star edition, which I'll list out all those packages in the description of this video. But this is just one that we sent off to basically do or actually we did it all in-house. So this is just going to be a quick walk around on this truck. So if you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to hit me up. We do price our vehicles to sell, so they do not last long. So if you are interested in it, feel free to hit me up. I do ship vehicles across the country. All my contact information is below in the link of the description. So I can have one exactly like this drop shipped to a dealership near you. This vehicle does come with a 3-year 36 bumper-to-bumper warranty, 5-year 60,000 powertrain warranty, and then Diane's own lifetime powertrain warranty on top of that. So let's take a closer look at the accessories and the interior of this truck. All right, like I said, we did add the Chevy 22-inch custom rims with the all-terrain tires and the red brake caliper covers. And then we also did mud flaps on both the front and back. And then also, as you can see, there's also the low profile vent shades that we added to the truck as well. Does have keyless entry with remote start and then proximity lock and unlock. So you just hit that button right there and it'll lock and unlock it. There's a quick look at the interior. It does have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the all-weather floor mats as well. And then power driver seat, manual passenger seat. Does have a backup camera, AM, FM. Satellite radio, does have heated seats, does have the trailer brake controller. It is a push button start. Does have the dual zone climate controls as well. And then here's a look in the back. It does have power windows in the back, along with vents in the center console with a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt outlet. And then also the all-weather floor mats as well. And then you have the storage compartments in the back. Plus you have the rear sliding window. And then the seats do fold up and gives you a little compartment down there as well. All right, and then in the back here, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a decal etching as far as in black, so to kind of make the Chevrolet kind of stand out a little bit more. But it does have the trailering capabilities, and like I said, this is a RST, it is not a Trail Boss, but it does have the power down tailgate, and it also does have the third brake light option as well, or the underneath the bed there. It does have the Durabed spray and bed liner as well. Plus it does have the 120 volt outlet in the back, and it's an easy lift tailgate on the way up. But it does have, like I said, on the bottom there you can see the light there. as far as does have turn signals, backup, and then also the brake lights as well. So that's kind of a cool thing that we added to it as well as an accessory. Once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Diane Chevrolet. This vehicle is located at our dealership. We're located about 40 miles east of St. Louis in the Metro East area. We are a small town dealership with a big deal. This was just a quick walk around on this accessorized, lifted 2019 Chevy Silverado RST model. If you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to hit me up. All my contact information is below in the link of the description of this video, and we can schedule a time for you to come out and check it out, or I can send you a more in-depth look at this video as well. So also make sure you check out my website, www.chevydave.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up to be a Chevy Dave celebrity member. That's where I do all my contests and give you guys, it's a private group where you guys get some great insider information and also some industry information as well. But that's where you can register to win this $25 gas card. So make sure you sign up to be a Chevy Dave celebrity member. I do at least a gas card a month giveaway. Sometimes I do more or different things as well, but make sure you sign up there. And also, if you are in the market for a vehicle, make sure you download my free buyer's guide as well. So also, drop me a comment below. Let me know exactly what you guys think about this vehicle, all the accessories and stuff like that. I love hearing from all my viewers and subscribers. And also where you're checking the video out from. I like seeing the reach that I get on all my videos and stuff like that. So also make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification as well, so you don't miss out on any future videos. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Diane Chevrolet. Come see me. I make car buying great again. Thank you for checking out this video, and hope you have a wonderful day.